Hello, my community. Welcome to the Iceberg Show with Saurabh Puranik. The theme of this show is based on the iceberg theory. That is, what is seen from the outside is just fraction of everything we do in the background. We only pursue success but don't know what it takes to be successful. And this is what I want to bring to young generation so that we can channelize our energy in a good direction. Here I will try to uncover the minds of successful people not just in regards with money but in character who are passionate to energize young minds. We will try to cover every topic which you need to know and that will inspire you to take appropriate actions in life. Hence, I request you to join my journey of the Iceberg Show. Improve, impact, and inspire. So, let's grow together. This is the first episode of the Iceberg Show with Saurabh Puranik. Our today's guest has been part of Operation Talwar, famously known as Kargil War during 1999, and has been awarded with Ops Vijay Star and Vijay Medal. In 2003 and 4, he was awarded Commendation by Flag Officer Western Naval Command, and in 2006, he was awarded with prestigious Chief of Naval Staff Commendation. He served more than a decade in Indian Navy, and in his second inning, he became motivational speaker and author of two best-selling books, They Inspire and Bhag. As we all know, heaven helps those who help themselves. So after diagnosed with hypothyroid in 2008, he took up endurance sport as a challenge and became a passionate sportsman and ultra marathoner. In this episode, we will talk about his iceberg journey and negative motivation and human values. So let's meet Lieutenant Commander Vijay Nair. So my last question is like how you take decisions in life and how we can improve our decision making skills.
See, decisions are, based on two factors.
Hmm,
One is a planned decision.
hmm,
So plan करके करते हैं. You
hmm,
know कि certain things has to happen. It has to happen.
hmm,
And certain things are impromptu.
hmm.
Situational. You
हाँ,
have to take a decision. Boss, एक बंदे को हार्ट अटैक आ गया तुम्हारे ऑफिस में.
hmm,
So you can't. You have to take a decision. दो चीजें होंगी. मैं उसको बोलूंगा इसको immediately हॉस्पिटल लेके जाओ यहाँ से.
hmm,
Whatever happens, we take care as a company.
hmm,
सेकेंड थिंग इज कि मैं खुद डर जाऊं यार इसको ऐसे कैसे आया ये अगर यहाँ गिर के मरा तो ये ऑफिस के ऊपर आ जाएगा पूरा
hmm,
इसको घर भेज देते हैं करके
hmm,
so that situational decision making is very very important as a leader
hmm,
you know and फौज में मोस्ट ऑफ आवर थिंग्स एक तो प्लान्ड होते ही हैं 60%. 40% आर सिचुएशनल
hmm,
यू नो लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल टुमारो शिप हैज टू सेल
hmm,
एंड उसका एक कुछ मेजर पार्ट में इश्यूज आ गए इंजन का कुछ some main major component or your radar का thing or
hmm,
gyroscope or anything. And I know that this ship has to sail. बाजू में एक ship पड़ा हुआ है दूसरा जो sail नहीं करेगा same type का. तो I can take यहाँ से वहाँ उठा के मैं डाल सकता हूँ. You know
hmm,
that decision is impromptu
हाँ,
because that was never planned. And that decision making comes from your training again.
okay,
So we are trained in this situation throughout our academy, our life.
okay,
ऐसे हो गया तो क्या करोगे करके when you why this happen is फौज में फ्री हैंड भी देते हैं though there is a structure of seniority and everything
hmm,
but when you are made a manager of certain center or a boss of certain center you have that freedom कॉर्पोरेट में कैसे होते लोग डरते हैं करने से
hmm,
यार
yes,
मैंने कर दिया तो कुछ हो गया तो लोग मुझे ब्लेम करेंगे
yes,
but there are exceptional leaders in corporate also no doubt about it and that is the power of decision making
hmm,
you know so obviously backed up by money and so many other factors also
hmm,
so to be a good leader see this again comes as a leadership quality
hmm,
and to be a good leader you also have to have this traits of decision making
hmm,
and it is not that always decision correct होंगे
हाँ,
so कभी कभी अगर decisions wrong हुए that's a learning for you rather than bruising your ego और उसको failure समझ के see failures जब तक failures नहीं होते हैं success कदम नहीं चूमेंगे
hmm,
and if you are someone like say Ambani clan or someone you have plenty of money you have never seen failure
hmm,
you are only success and एक दिन failure हो गया तो your world will be shaken. Like if you're
Exactly.
Australian cricket team and you are winning, and one day suddenly you play to Ireland and you lose,
Huh.
so you are gone. That day will be either totally drunk, or you will be having bath in alcohol,
Correct.
gum से.
Correct.
तो लीडर्स कैसे होते हैं कि फेलियर को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, दे लर्न फ्रॉम देयर फेलियर, दे लर्न फ्रॉम whatever mistake they have made, and then they implement, you know and बोलते हैं ना, लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट कंटिन्यूअल इम्प्रूवमेंट.
Yes.
तुम कल से आज इम्प्रूव नहीं हुए
Hmm.
तो दो चीजें होगी. एक तो कॉर्पोरेट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से you become stuck there and lethargic. Someone else
Yes.
will take over from you, you know. And corporate में कैसे things changes quickly. You have to adapt to the change.
Yes.
So continual improvement is the key wherever you are in life.
Hmm.
अगर आपको yesterday से आज थोड़ा बहुत अपनी लाइफ में एडिशन नहीं किया,
Hmm.
so ये सोचने की बात है फिर. Okay.
Yes.